Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to download the official Windows 11 ISO file directly from Microsoft, step by step. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Microsoft.com. Scroll down to the very bottom of the page and locate the Download Center link. From there, select Windows. You'll be presented with various options. Choose the version you need, either Windows 11 or Windows 10, to proceed to the ISO download page. Under the drop-down menu, select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. This package conveniently includes both Home and Pro editions. Once selected, click Confirm. Next, you must select your preferred installation language. Choose carefully, as this cannot be changed after the installation. Make your selection and hit Confirm again. The final download links will now appear and are only valid for 24 hours. Click the prominent 64-bit download button. Since this is a large file, ensure you have a fast and stable internet connection. That's all there is to it. You are now downloading the official, genuine Windows 11 ISO. You can use this file with tools like Rufus or the Media Creation tool to easily create your bootable drive. If this guide saved you time, please give the video a like. Subscribe for more quick tech guides, and I'll see you in the next one.